Hi guys, in this really quick video, I just wanted to show you an advanced trick that we use in the cold email space to basically improve your deliverability. So not many people know about this unless you've gone down some rabbit holes. But basically in Clay, if you add a HTTP API column and then you use emailguard.io and you send it to this address, use a post method, and then send your body as JSON like this. You just want to send the emails that you're trying to segment. Basically, what this will do is figure out whether the email address that you're sending to it has a Gmail inbox, an Outlook inbox, a custom mail server, a Proofpoint inbox, or a Mimecast inbox, or any of the variations it could be. And the reason this can help you out a lot is because the Proofpoint and Mimecast inboxes are going to be a lot harder to inbox on. Also, Outlook can be quite tricky. And even with recent updates, we've seen Google is trying to tighten up things around Black Friday. So at different times, different types of mail servers are going to require different tactics to land in the inbox. And so using this segmentation technique can be quite useful because you might have an infrastructure that you want to only send to Google with, and it might be Gmail inboxes. Then you might have another infrastructure that's just Outlook inboxes that you send to Outlook. You might use an infrastructure that is aged domains that you only want to use to try and inbox in Outlook. And it can also be useful for segmenting your campaigns because inboxing with Outlook can sometimes require sending much shorter copy, so like one line sentences. And so being able to switch this out and only send leads that are Outlook into one campaign that's a one line sentence you can achieve that basically with this technique. One thing to remember is add this content type, application JSON, and then authorization, do bearer, and then just put your API key in that you get from EmailGuard. And it will achieve this. So as you can see the email host. You know exactly who is hosting that email, whether it's Google or Outlook. But yeah, I hope that helps you out. If you're looking to grow your B2B company, you can use the link in the description below to book a quick call with me. But other than that, check out the other videos on the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.